What if you could build your own AI influencer? Give her a face, a voice, an outfit, a whole personality, and then have her star in a scroll-stopping UGC ad for your product, without a camera, without an actor, and without ever leaving your browser. No studio, no shoot, no editing skills, just a few clicks. That's exactly what we're building today. And by the end of this video, you'll have a complete AI influencer and a ready-to-post TikTok ad. This is APOB AI. Let's get into it. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to AI Motion Studio. Today I'm walking you through APOB AI, a platform built for one thing: creating AI influencers and turning them into viral UGC ads for TikTok and Instagram. And the website makes it obvious. It's clean, it's simple, and as you scroll down, you can see real examples of AI influencers people have already created right here. There are tons of them. So here's the plan for today. We're going to create a portrait model, give her a custom voice, style her, generate a photorealistic image, clean it up, and then turn that single image into a finished 15-second UGC ad, using our own YouTube channel's AI avatar as the influencer. Let's start from scratch. First things first, getting in. From the homepage, click Create for Free or Launch App up in the corner. Creating your account takes about 10 seconds. Just hit the Sign Up button, drop in your email and a strong password, and you're in. You can also sign up with Google or Discord if that's easier, but either way, once you're signed up, you land straight on your dashboard and you're ready to build your first model. Now we build the portrait model. This is the face of your AI influencer. APOB gives you a ton of model examples to draw inspiration from. You've got two ways to start. You can let APOB's built-in AI influencer generator create a face from scratch, choosing gender, age, country, eye color, hairstyle, face shape, all of it. Or, like we're doing here, you can upload your own reference image. Since we already have a YouTube channel with an AI avatar, we're going to use that. So I'll pick our channel image as the reference. We give her a name, Elena Smith, and you don't actually need to write a description, so we'll leave that blank and just click Create. APOB locks in the face, and just like that, our portrait model is ready to go. A face is only half of it. An influencer needs a voice. So next we click on Create Voice Model. APOB lets you generate or upload your own, and because we already have a YouTube channel with our own voice, we're going to clone that. I'll click Upload, drop in our voice audio file, and hit Create Voice Model. And that's it. In no time at all, APOB has built our AI influencer with her own custom voice. Face, voice, done. Now the fun part, we get to style her. Here's where it comes together. On the styling panel, you choose how she looks and where she is. We start with the realistic style for that photoreal finish. For clothing, we'll pick casual. For the architecture, basically the environment, we choose gym, because we're making her a UGC ad for a fitness app. Then we pick an image style element from the community to lock in the look and that gym environment, sever aspect ratio for vertical video, and choose our image model. We're going with GPT Image 2, powered by OpenAI, one of the best for realistic detail. Once everything's dialed in, we click Generate. A few seconds later, there she is, our AI influencer in the gym, photorealistic, exactly the vibe we wanted. Now, AI isn't perfect on the first pass, and you can see it right here. There's a second lady standing in the background of our shot that we don't want, but instead of jumping into Photoshop or generating a new image, APOB lets us fix it with plain English. We click on Chat to edit, and in the description box, we just type our prompt, remove the lady in the background. Hit Generate, give it a moment, and there we go. The woman in the background is gone, the shot is clean, and our influencer is the only focus. No masking, no editing software, just a sentence. That's the kind of control that makes this so fast. Okay, this is the payoff. We're going to take that single image and turn it into a real UGC video ad for TikTok or Instagram. APOB lets us build the ad in shots, so we set up 3 shots. Now, a UGC ad needs to show the actual product, so we're going to add our app screenshots as elements. We add the first screenshot already uploaded into the shots, and then upload the second screenshot. APOB asks us to name it, that's required, so we'll call it Apex Body App UI2. Set the category to products, disable public so it stays private, and save. Then we do the exact same thing for one more app UI screenshot until we've got all 3 uploaded. With our elements ready, we attach one screenshot to each of the 3 shots, so the app actually appears inside the ad. Next, we select our voice model so she narrates the ad in her own voice. And then we add camera control to each shot for that organic handheld UGC feel. Shot 1, handheld. Shot 2, handheld as well. And shot 3, we'll use an around camera move for a bit of dynamic motion. Last step, we tell each shot what to do. In the prompt boxes, we describe exactly how the UGC ad should be arranged, structured like a time-lapse across the 3 shots. Shot 1 runs 0 to 4 seconds, shot 2 from 4 to 12 seconds, and shot 3 from 12 to 15. A tight, fast-paced before and after style ad. And because APOB is generating this with Seedance 2.0, we can be confident the motion and quality are going to come out clean. So we hit Generate, let it cook, and take a look at that. The result looks fantastic. In just a few minutes, we went from a blank dashboard to a complete 15-second UGC ad for our fitness app Apex Body. Our AI influencer in the gym, in her own voice, with the actual app UI built right into the shots. That's a full ad with no camera and no actor. And that's the entire workflow, from a single reference image to a finished post-ready UGC ad, all inside APOB and AI. If you found this breakdown useful, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Motion Studio for more AI tool deep dives just like this one. I cover the latest in AI video, image generation, and creative tools every single week. I'll drop the APOB link down in the description if you want to try it yourself. Go build your own AI influencer and tell me in the comments what you'd create with it. Until next time, keep creating.
What if you could transform your body in just 12 weeks? See the results for yourself. Download Apex Body today. Generic plans. Zero progress. Here's Headmark Equipment's the Mark Mini Lentai 17 Pro. Upper Scopy, train smarter. Get Apex Body. AI coach that adapts to you. Download Apex Body.